Okay.
I found an egg.
Really?
You did? Awesome.
All kinds.
After breakfast. After breakfast, please.
Buck for you, baby.
Thank you.
Teasing.
You're just teasing.
You eat this. I love Bunny Rabbits. Oh, they're stickers.
All right.
I'll color this coloring book only if Mommy gets me big crayons.
You got some good crayons. Okay, let's eat, guys.
What else did you get, Savvy?
Okay, let's eat.
I got this. It's way heavy.
Mm-hmm.
I can't hold it that much.
This is a push pop. Don't take the candy
There's
out, bud.
cherries in here. Spencer, look. Look at this.
Awesome.
Look this. Look it, Spencer. Look it. Hurry.
He got one of those too.
Oh. You got the gun, Spencer.
It's a bubble gum or a bubble. Shoots bubbles out.
Yeah.
Spencer, can you open up your basket and see what you have?
Yeah, I can. There's your Easter basket. And there's
Sure, I'll cut it. Do you want to eat first or open your basket first?
There's green stuff under here.
There's what? Yeah, there is.
Open this.
Pull it out. Daddy helps you.
We're gonna open it after breakfast.
No! Oh, look, Toy Story! You love Toy Story! Toy Story coloring! I want to cut this. Look, Daddy's opening your shoe.
No,
Can you put that in?
Did he get excited or what? He's so excited.
Yay!
I can't see you, Spencer. Are you happy?
Yeah, I want this chicken.
No.
Oh my god. I'm
Sorry. You made it. You helped make it.
My shoes are done!
It's a bubble gun.
My shoes are done! I'm ready!
I'm ready.
I'm ready.
Daddy. I don't know. I don't think so.
Hey.
Yeah, it does.
Oh, it does.
These are stickers, Spencer. See the stickers?